Good morning, friends.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Chill Talk English.
I'm Henry.
And I'm Emma.
Today's topic is mornings.
Yes, morning routines.
Do you love mornings, Emma?
Sometimes.
Same here.
But a good morning means a good day.
True. A happy start, a happy day.
Today, we'll talk about simple morning habits.
You'll learn easy English phrases.
You'll use them in real life.
And you'll feel more confident.
Think of English like brushing your teeth.
What do you mean?
You do it every day, just a little bit.
I like that. One phrase at a time.
Yes, one small phrase, one big step.
I'll share my lazy mornings.
And I'll share my active mornings.
Perfect balance.
Then we'll practice together.
50 short, fun conversations.
All about daily routines.
And at the end,
A small English challenge.
so grab your coffee.
Or tea.
Let's start our morning English.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
What time?
Around 6.
Wow, that's early.
It helps me feel fresh.
How do you wake up?
I use an alarm.
Every morning?
Yes, always.
Does it work?
Most of the time.
What's the first thing you do?
I drink water.
That's healthy.
Yes, it wakes me up.
I'll try that too.
Do you make your bed?
Every morning.
That's a good habit.
It makes my room neat.
I should do that too.
Do you stretch?
Yes, a little.
How long?
Just 5 minutes.
Nice. Does it help?
Yes, I feel strong.
I never stretch.
You should start.
Maybe tomorrow.
Not today?
I'm still sleepy.
Do you check your phone?
Oh, yes, always.
First thing?
Sadly, yes.
You should wait.
Why?
It makes mornings calm.
Good idea. I'll try.
Do you open the window?
Yes, for fresh air.
That feels nice.
It wakes me fast.
I love morning air.
Do you listen to music?
Sometimes soft music.
What kind?
Acoustic or piano.
Relaxing start.
Yes, it's peaceful.
I play pop songs.
Fun energy.
My cat loves it too.
That's cute.
What do you eat?
I eat oatmeal.
Every day?
Almost every day.
That's healthy food.
Yes, and easy.
I eat toast.
With butter.
Sometimes jam.
Sweet start.
And coffee, of course.
I like green tea.
You're healthier than me.
Maybe.
Do you shower in morning?
Always. It feels fresh.
Cold or warm?
Warm shower. You?
Cold, very cold.
Oh, wow.
It wakes me up.
Brave choice.
Do you brush right away?
Yes, before breakfast.
I brush after.
Both are fine.
Good, I feel better.
You're safe.
Do you check news?
Not in morning.
Why not?
It's too serious.
True, it kills mood.
I prefer music or podcasts.
Like Chill Talk English.
Exactly.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I write notes.
On paper?
Yes, I like lists.
That's smart.
It helps me focus.
I forget things easily.
Try writing too.
I'll start tomorrow.
Promise?
Maybe, after coffee.
Okay.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes.
What kind?
Light yoga.
In your room?
Yes, near window.
That sounds peaceful.
It's my quiet time.
I walk outside.
Fresh air is great.
I see birds and sun.
Nature is perfect morning friend.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, banana or apple.
Healthy again.
Thank you. You too?
Sometimes orange.
Vitamin C. Nice choice.
Do you drink milk?
Not often.
Coffee only.
Yes, 1 cup.
I drink 2.
Too much caffeine.
Maybe, but I love it.
Typical Henry.
Do you read morning messages?
Just family chats.
Me too. Short, good morning.
That's sweet.
It starts day with love.
True. A happy heart.
Do you dress fast?
Not really.
Why slow?
I choose my outfit.
Fashion first.
Yes, always.
I wear same t-shirt.
Easy and simple.
Less thinking.
Smart idea.
Do you check the time often?
Oh, yes, always.
Afraid to be late?
Always.
Me too.
I like being early.
That's a strong habit.
I try my best.
Do you pack lunch?
Yes, sometimes.
For work?
Yes, salad or rice.
I buy food outside.
Expensive.
True, I should cook.
Try once a week.
I'll try Friday.
Good start.
Do you pray or meditate?
Yes, short prayer.
That's peaceful.
It calms my mind.
I do deep breathing.
That's great too.
Just 1 minute.
1 minute helps.
Do you talk to anyone in morning?
My mom sometimes.
That's lovely.
She asks, "Did you sleep well?"
Classic mom question.
Always the same.
I talk to my cat.
What do you say?
Good morning, buddy.
Cute. Does he answer?
Only meow.
What counts?
Do you leave home early?
Around 8 a.m.
On time.
Always on time.
I leave late sometimes.
Oh no.
Traffic hates me.
Wake up earlier.
I'll try.
Small changes help.
Yes, 1 step each day.
That's how habits grow.
Right. Morning habits, strong life.
And better English.
True.
Let's review some phrases.
Good idea.
Repeat after us, friends.
I wake up early.
I drink water.
I make my bed.
I feel fresh.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I plan my day.
I listen to music.
I stretch my body.
I feel ready. Great job.
You sound amazing.
Simple words, big progress.
That's the power of practice.
So, friends, what's your morning routine?
Do you wake up early or late?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Do you make your bed?
Remember, small habits make big change.
Just like English learning.
Yes, one word, one phrase, every day.
Soon you'll speak with confidence.
We believe in you.
Here's your morning challenge.
Tomorrow, say your morning routine in English.
For example, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I drink coffee.
Simple and strong.
You can say it to yourself
Or tell a friend.
or record your voice.
Practice every day, even 2 minutes.
That's the secret.
Thank you for joining us.
You did great today.
Keep learning, keep smiling.
And keep your mornings bright.
See you next time on
Chill Talk English.